and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, would like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell. You'll be notified of every time that I upload. So in today's video, we're doing another look using the Beautybay Berries palette. So I was requested to do a soft peachy look, and that's what inspired this one. So yeah, I wanted to play around with this one again anyway. So if you want to see how I create this super easy soft peachy glam beautiful pretty pinky look, then please stay tuned. Yeah, I actually really like this look. It's something that I'd wear like just out and about, and I've paired it with a half lash from Pink Honey, the Baby Winks lashes. But yeah, I'm just reapplying the P. Louise base shade 2 as always on my lids, and I'm just going to pat it out with a fluffy brush, just a cheap one from eBay. So yeah, we're going to dive into the Berries palette again, the 42 colour palette, and we're going to start off with a little kickback in this palette, but I don't mind because it's so pigmented. And if you watched my last video, you know that I already like this palette, which if you haven't seen it, then I'll link it down below, which was more of like a pinky look. But we're going to start off with Tequila. So we're going to start off with our middle shade there, Tequila, and it's a beautiful peachy pink shade. And I'm just going to take that on a P. Louise 236 brush, and I'm just going to pop that all over my crease. Can you believe that it's actually November? Like, it's so close to Christmas. I'm so excited. So yeah, if there's any specific video requests that you want for Christmas, then do let me know, because I'm going to try and upload more because I was a bit poorly. But yeah, back to filming now. Got loads of videos to film. But yeah, if there's any specific video requests that you want to see over Christmas, then do let me know, especially like gifts and stuff like that. Obviously, I can't afford to buy all the gift sets, but I might do a screen share on a website or whatever, something like that, and just pick out what would my favourite ones be and things. Would you be interested in seeing that? One thing I hate about Christmas, yeah, when people say to you, so say you're a makeup lover and people say, what do you want for Christmas? But I don't want to buy you makeup because you've got too much of that. I hate when people say that, because obviously makeup you can never have too much of, first of all, in my eyes. And second of all, it's what I like. But yeah, anyway, I was having this conversation with someone the other day. So now I've blended that out. Beautiful, and I'm going to go in with Popcorn, so this very neutral, I don't know if it's really showing up on camera, but it's just a very light peach shade, so good for transitional shade. And I'm using a P. Louise 121, so just a large fluffy brush, and I'm just going to really take this into the inner corner and just really soften those edges. This is just 3 shades, well, 3 matte shades and a shimmer, and it's just dead quick and easy. Like, I've only been filming for 4 minutes and I feel like I've nearly done it already. And then we're going to take, so this shade here, which is Mittens. So this dark shade here, it's a brown with a red undertone, I believe, like a red purpley undertone, but it's the closest one I can get to a brown in this palette. And I'm just going to take my Morphe M456 brush, and I'm just going to pop that just on my outer edge. Nothing too fancy schmancy. I feel like doing another video on the Beautybay Dark Fantasy palette because I absolutely love that palette. So if you want to see another video on that, then let me know. If not, then I might just do it on like TikTok or something, but it was such a good palette. And I'm just going to use my other brushes just to make sure it's all blended. I'm not like darkening it up that much because it's just going to be a very soft, wearable look. So that's basically it for the mattes. We do go over with the darker shade in a minute, but we're going to use the shimmer. So I'm going to use this shade here, Sofa. Is it Sofa? Yeah, Sofa. What a random name for a shade. Sofa, and it's a beautiful, like, peachy pink with like gold reflex. It is stunning. And then we'll use a bit of Alba, which is what I used before, just on the very inner corner, but it'll be mainly Sofa. And I've just popped it on my finger, and I'm just gonna, oh, I thought it was gonna drop then. Look how stunning that is. I don't know if you can really see. But yeah, I'm just gonna pop this all over my lid, like the inner part of the lid. You do get fallout with this shade though, so just be wary about that. And then I'm just going to pop a bit of that Alba, just a little bit, just as like an inner corner highlight, should we say. The sofa shade is very glittery, it's so nice. And then I'm just going to pop a liquid liner on. So I haven't got a black, this is a brown liquid liner. And it's just the Maybelline one, Hyper Easy. And you know what, it's actually a really good liner. But yeah, it's like a brownie black, which I think goes with this look very well. But I'm just going to hop off camera, do my liner, lashes, rest of my makeup, and then we'll be right back for the finishing touches. And you know, 7 minutes is taking me to do that. 7 minutes, dead easy. And it might look a little bit boring, but when everything's all done, it will look really nice and soft and subtle and beautiful. So yeah, be right back. Ta-da! Face is all done. And I actually used as well, for the first time, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Beautifying Face Palette. I recorded as shorts for this. But this is the outcome. I used 3 out of 4 pans. And oh my god, I'm obsessed. And if you're wondering about what's on my lips, so I've got the Peachy Cream Feline Lip Liner with a Coloured Rain liquid lipstick in Mauve Rose. And then to top it off, the Jordana Tisha gloss in Bonbon. And these two are exactly the same shade, really, but one of them's obviously a liquid lipstick, one of them's a gloss. So yeah, it worked out quite nicely. I don't know if I want anything on my lower lash line, come to think of it, to be fair. I think I actually quite like it bare. I might just put on a bit of mascara. Oh, unreal. I absolutely love that. Oh, I look so fresh-faced and peachy. Okay, so I am just going to pop a bit of that, bit more of the sofa shade. That beautiful shimmer shade. And then a bit of the Alba, so the very light one. In my inner corner. I might also put a bit of the Alba on my lips. It makes it look extra shiny. Or the sofa shade. Make it a bit more cohesive. Okay, cool. So we are done. So lovely, quick little video for you, just showing that you can do softer looks with this palette. If you do want any more videos on this, let me know. But yeah, I just absolutely love this palette. As it stands, love the Beautybay formula. This isn't a first impression, it isn't a review, as I've used this palette a few times now and once already on my channel. But yeah, definitely would recommend if you want. If you like pink shadows, peachy shadows, purple shadows, then this is a great palette for you. But if you've already got that in your collection, then you probably don't need this palette. But yeah, I am going to do some videos of the Midnight palette as requested. So they will be up soon, and I think I might do another look with the Dark Fantasy palette as well, seeing it is a Christmas collection, especially with the liquid shadows. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.